Hey, how's it going? And today I just wanted to do a quick video on a pathway for beginners. This is basically 7 videos that you should watch if you're new to LightWave, or let's say you've had LightWave and you just haven't learned how to use it yet, or you're interested in learning how to use it. Kind of what are some videos to get you started. So I'm just going to kind of go over these 7 videos in no particular order. If I'm looking at them here, I would recommend starting with this one. This is one I put together just recently. It's kind of a quick introduction to LightWave, and it kind of talks about navigation and the general layout of the program. So this is a good one, I think, to start with. And then these are some other ones that I would recommend that you use. The remaining 6 are all done by Anthony Hall. This one is called Basic UV Texturing. The next one is Basic Surfacing. The next one is 2D EPS to 3D LightWave. And then this one is an introduction to the lathe tool, which is a fantastic tool. And then this one is really introduction to modeler and modeling, and it's on how to make a chair. And then the last one is a basic layers tutorial where he explains the layers. These 7 videos, it kind of gives you a introduction into LightWave and kind of ground you, and then you can begin going from there. The other thing is that I'd recommend that you sign up for the LightWave Salvation Facebook page, because we post there quite frequently on videos and tutorials. Every week we're posting tutorials that we're either doing currently or older tutorials that are still relevant. So if you are interested in learning LightWave, please join LightWave Salvation and then go ahead and watch these 7 videos, and I'll put a link to them in the description. So anyway, take care, have a great day, and I will talk to you next time.